Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Finding difficult to solve Skillrack daily challenge? No worries. Subscribe to our channel right now and get regular videos to crack the daily challenge. We will understand our question. We have to accept the integer n from the user, which is larger. Then we have to print the count of unique pairs of digits that can be formed using the digits of n except the unit digit where the sum of each is equal to the unit digit. We have also given a note that if there is no such pair, we have to print -1. So consider our first test case. Here the number is 2464538. The unit digit is 8 and the possible combinations that can be formed using the integers except the unit digit are these. So first we will consider two pairs that can be formed with 2 are 2 4, 2 6, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 3. Then we will consider 4, 4 6, 4 4, 4 5, 4 3 can be formed. Then we'll consider 6, 6 4, 6 5, 6 3 are the possible combinations of pairs. Then we'll consider 4, 4 5, 4 3 are the pairs. Then we'll consider 5, 5 3 is a pair. So now we have to find the sum of the pairs. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 5 is 7. So now we have to check whose sum of integers in a pair is equal to the unit digit, that is 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So we will count it. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. So we will consider it also. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we have also to check our another condition, that is we have to form only unique pairs. So let it be we have another pair like 2 comma 6, that is 8. Now we are not going to consider this pair because it is already repeated. So as we have to form only unique pairs. In this case we are not having like that. In other cases we may have. So now we have 3 pairs that their sum is unit digit. So our output will be 1 2 3. So 3. Now we will consider our next test case. Here the number is 345672 and the unit digit is 2. So the possible combinations are from 3 it is 3 4 3 5 3 6, and using 4 we have 4 5 4 6 4 7, and using 5 we have 5 6 5 7. Then using 6 we'll have 6 7. Now we have to check to the sum to be 2. We have no pairs whose sum is equal to 2. So our output will be -1 because our count is equal to 0. So if there is no such pair, we have to print -1. So we are going to print -1. Let us execute our program. First we'll get our input, a number from the user. Then we will initialize the unit digit equal to int of n -1, which represents the last index. Then we will initialize the other digits equal to int of digit for digit in n minus 1, which iterate from the first digit to the last but one digit, and it will convert to int. So now we will initialize the count of pair equal to 0, which will be our output. Then we will initialize the empty checklist. As we are using the Python programming language, we are going to import the combinations from the itertools. So from itertools, import combinations. Now the itertools, we are going to import the combinations and as com. So whenever we call com, these combinations should be activated. So for I in com, before that I'll explain about the combinations and its arguments. So the syntax of combination is com of argument 1, which is the iterables, and argument 2 is the size. This argument 1 is the iterables and the argument 2 is the size. So we are clear, right? So let's see how we can apply it in our program. For I in com, our argument 1 is the iterables. So here it is other digits, comma, the size is 2. Then we are going to print I to check whether we are getting the pairs. So yeah, we are getting all the possible combinations from the number. Now I'll change it to pair, and then we are going to check the sum of a pair is equal to the unit digit or not. So if sum pair is equal to unit digit and the pair is not in checklist, that is the pair should be unique. So if this condition satisfied, we are going to increment the count of pair and we are going to append the checklist with the pair. So now if we got the pairs like 1 7 or 7 1, they both are same because 1 plus 7 is also 8 and 7 plus 1 is also 8. So when we reverse 7 1, that is 1 7, it also gives the same output. So we should consider only unique pairs. So we are going to append it from reverse also. Then we are going to print count of pair. If count of pair is greater than 0, else minus 1. Now our third test case is 71174 71178. Now let us execute our program. Here we have got the output as 3, which is correct. Then for our second test case, we have got the output as -1, as no pairs can be found, giving sum as 2. Then we'll check for our third test case. Then here we have got 1, that is there is only one combination of pair whose sum is giving 8, that is 7 and 1, and 1 and 7 will not be considered as another pair because when 7 and 1 is repeated, it is 1 and 7, right? So we are not going to consider them. So our output will be 1. So I hope you guys have learned something new, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Turn up.